Hare Krishna, my name is Mahika. My name is Shivansh.
And my name is Nana. Hare Krishna, everyone.
So today we're going to be doing a story time with you guys.
Yeah, another story time. And today's story is really important, Shivansh, because you guys can learn very, very important lessons from this story. So today's story is all about friendship. और friendship को हिंदी में बोलते हैं दोस्ती. क्या बोलते हैं?
Dosti.
दोस्ती. तो दोस्ती means having a friendship, but with whom?
Krishna.
With Krishna. So all the devotees, if they have friendship with Krishna, wonders can happen. Like a lot of good magic can happen in their life. So you want to know what happened in Sudama's life?
Who's Sudama?
Shivansh, do you know who is Sudama?
Krishna's friend from school.
From school. Yeah, so when Krishna was little, he has a little Brahmin friend. Brahmin, so his name was Sudama. तो क्या हुआ शिवांश, एक बार कृष्ण भगवान when he become द्वारिकाधीश, what is the meaning of द्वारिकाधीश?
King of Dwarka.
जब भगवान द्वारिकाधीश बन गए तो भगवान जी के दौर में एक बहुत ही बूढ़ा सा, एक बहुत ही ओल्ड एंड पुअर दिखने वाला एक ब्राह्मण आया. Who was that Brahman?
Sudama, maybe?
Sudama. Sudama was so poor, Shivansh. He has no food in his house. He has no clothes to wear, Mahi. His house don't have roof, so the water used to leak from his house. He was living in a very poor condition. If you can imagine, he was living like a homeless, basically, with his wife. And do you think the wife was very happy? So one day Sudama's wife asked, why don't you go and ask your friend? He's a king. He helps the whole world. Why don't you go and ask him for some help? And ask him if he can give us something. So Sudama didn't want to go to Krishna because Sudama said, Krishna already gave me life. Bhagwan hai na, Krishna Bhagwan.
Wait, Sudama knew that Krishna was Vishnu Bhagwan?
Absolutely. Everybody know, Mahi, if Krishna Bhagwan living in Vrindavan was killing Kaliya Nag, do you think nobody know who is Krishna? They know, but they love Krishna so much like their own friend. So they always treat Krishna with lots of love and friendship. But they know that Krishna have superpowers. That's how Krishna kills so many demons, right? तो सुदामा के वाइफ ने बोला आप प्लीज जाओ. तो सुदामा ने बोला नहीं नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं मांगना चाहता कृष्ण भगवान से, लेकिन मैं भगवान को मिलना चाहता हूँ. आई वॉन्ट टू सी हिम. इट्स बीन सो लॉन्ग. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू मीट हिम. सो क्या हुआ माही, सुदामा कृष्ण भगवान के घर गए. बट सुदामा बोलने लगे व्हेन यू गो टू समबडीज हाउस, व्हाट डू यू हैव टू डू?
You have to give them something.
लाइक यू हैव टू ब्रिंग गिफ्ट्स. सुदामा ने बोला मेरे पास तो कोई गिफ्ट्स भी नहीं है ले जाने के लिए, किसी के घर कृष्णा को मैं मिलने जाऊंगा. सो उसकी वाइफ ने बोला अरे क्या करूं. सो वाइफ ने क्या किया, वो सबके घर गई. उसने बोला कुछ प्लीज दे दो मुझे, चावल दे दो थोड़े से. बिकॉज इन ओल्डन टाइम्स दे डोंट ब्रिंग प्रेजेंट्स, दे यूज्ड टू ब्रिंग फूड व्हेन दे गो टू समबडीज हाउस.
जैसे बादाम.
या बट बादाम तो नहीं था ना उस टाइम पे. So when you go to somebody's house and you ask, okay मुझे थोड़ा सा खाना दे दो, तो थोड़ी ना कोई आपको बादाम देगा. उन्होंने वो क्या बोला, दो ऐसे 2 राइस के दाने दे दिए ऐसे. Just two pieces of rice, not like the whole hand fist, just 2 pieces of rice somebody gave. Then she went to another house, so she went to 3 houses, so everybody gave him like a little piece of rice, just like little grain of rice. So they were that poor, Shivansh, that they didn't even have rice in their house. तो क्या हुआ, सुदामा ने वो पकड़ा ऐसे, उसको बोलते हैं पोटली. सो सुदामा ने वो पोटली पकड़ी एंड सुदामा वेंट टू द्वारका. और वहां पर किंग कौन थे? कृष्णा. तो सुदामा ने, जब सुदामा पहुंचे, सुदामा वाज सो पुअर. ऐसे सुदामा की वेन्स आ रही है निकल के. ही वाज सो पुअर, ही डिडंट हैव फूड टू ईट. ही यूज्ड टू स्टे हंग्री फॉर एजेस, for days and days. He has no clothes to wear. All his clothes have patchwork or holes. He was so poor, right? He was living in a miserable condition. तो फिर हुआ क्या माही एंड शिवांश, जब सुदामा वहां पहुंचे तो जो गेट कीपर्स होते हैं भगवान के, उन्होंने सुदामा को रोक लिया. उन्होंने बोला आप कौन हो? उन्होंने बोला आप कृष्णा को जाके बोल दो कि उनके फ्रेंड आए हैं और मेरा नाम है सुदामा। सो जैसे ही डोर कीपर्स अंदर आए भगवान के पास, उन्होंने बोला कृष्णा भगवान आपको मिलने आए सुदामा, प्लीज कम एंड चेक हो सुदामा इज। जैसे ही भगवान ने सुदामा सुना, भगवान भागे 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 गए। ऐसे रुक्मणी, यू रिमेम्बर रुक्मणी? रुक्मणी ने बोला ऐसे तो भगवान ने मेरे लिए भी नहीं किया, भगवान मेरे लिए भी कभी ऐसे भागे भागे नहीं आए। हु इज सुदामा? सुदामा मस्ट बी लाइक अ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ सम प्लेस, बट वाज सुदामा अ प्रेसिडेंट? No. Who was he? He was very dear to Krishna Bhagwan. He was his friend. So सुदामा को कृष्ण भगवान ने हाथ से पकड़ा और भगवान ने जैसे देखा भगवान रोने लग गए, because भगवान see how poor, how miserable Sudama is living, right? And he never asked for any help. इतना रोए भगवान शिवांश कि ऐसे हम जैसे सुबह भगवान का अभिषेक करते हैं, भगवान को जल चढ़ाते हैं, भगवान की इतने आंसू आए भगवान की आंखों में कि भगवान ने वहां खड़े खड़े ही सुदामा के पांव वॉश कर दिए अपने आंसुओं से। क्या, इट्स सीरियस, इतना भगवान को प्यार था सुदामा से। तो फिर जब सुदामा आए, कृष्ण भगवान सर्व्ड हिम। कृष्ण भगवान ने बोला आप बैठो, सिट ऑन माय थ्रोन, आई विल सिट डाउन। He did give him new clothes, but not right now. He gave him new clothes later. तो भगवान ने बोला you sit on my throne and I sit down and I clean your feet. You walking from so far. So Sudama used to live in a place called Porbandar, which is also in Gujarat, and he walked all the way to Dwarka.
How far is that?
Like quite a lot. Say you walk from here all the way to Toronto. That far. That's a lot of walk, right? So that's what Sudama did. So his feet were swollen. He has thorns in his, like little spikes in his feet. So भगवान ने अपने कपड़ों से ऐसे पोंछ के सुदामा के पाँव साफ किए, उनको प्यार किया, उनको सत्कार किया। What is the meaning of सत्कार? He said please come inside my palace, please come in. फिर क्या हुआ माही, जब सुदामा को भगवान ने ऐसे किया तो सुदामा भगवान कौन है? He knows everything, right? भगवान ने बोला सुदामा I know you have bring something for me. Would you mind giving it to me? Oh, सुदामा ने क्या सोचा?
That Krishna would want it.
Oh, सुदामा ने बोला मैं ऐसे नहीं दे सकता भगवान को 3 grains of rice. This will be very insulting, right? शिवांश, अगर आप किसी के घर में जाओ, आप अपने फ्रेंड के घर में जाओ और आप 3 grains of rice लेके जाओ और आपका फ्रेंड बहुत बड़ा किंग हो, आपको मन करेगा उसको देने का? आपको क्या लगेगा आपके हार्ट में?
You'd feel
Embarrassed and insult. You're like, I can give him this. I have to bring something big. But do Sudama have some money to bring something big? No. So Sudama was hiding that little potli. So Krishna ने ऐसे छीन लिया। कृष्णा बोलने लगे हाँ मुझे पता है आप मेरे लिए क्या लेके आए हो, आप मेरे लिए एक ब्यूटीफुल से चिप्ड राइस लेके आए हो, राइट? सुदामा ने बोला अरे कृष्णा को कैसे पता चल गया? सो कृष्णा ने क्या किया, वो चिप्ड राइस, इवन दो वो कुक्ड भी नहीं थे शिवांश, कृष्ण ने ऐसे एक चिप्ड राइस पकड़ा और ग्रेन किसके मुंह में डालिया? कृष्णा के माउथ में। सो ही पुट अ ग्रेन ऑफ राइस इन हिज माउथ, और जैसे ही कृष्णा भगवान ने अपने माउथ के अंदर एक प्रसादम छोटा सा डाला, बिकॉज दैट वाज अ प्रसादम, बिकॉज ही वाज ऑफरिंग इट टू कृष्णा। जैसे भगवान ने एक छोटे से ग्रेन प्रसादम का डाला, पूरे वर्ल्ड का पेट भर गया। नॉट जस्ट कृष्णा का पेट भर गया, होल वर्ल्ड स्टार्ट फीलिंग ओ आई एम सो फुल, नोबडी हैज अ नीड टू ईट एनीथिंग, even animals on this planet. So सबका पेट भर गया, पूरा का पूरा फुल हो गया, everybody in the palace. So Shivansh, what is the moral of this story? What did you learn from this story I just told you?
I know. I learned that even if you don't think this isn't good enough, everything's good.
What did you learn from this story?
Same as Mahi.
Same as Mahi. So Mahi, the moral of the story is, क्या आप कृष्णा को प्रसाद चढ़ाते हो सुबह? Who knows, one day कृष्णा आपसे प्रसाद खा ले, इज इट पॉसिबल दैट कृष्णा आपका प्रसाद एक्सेप्ट कर लें? क्योंकि जब सुदामा का प्रसाद कृष्णा ने एक्सेप्ट किया, you know what happened? And next day when Sudama went back to his home, Shivansh, he could not find his own home.
Why?
Because when Sudama was in the palace of Krishna, in his heart he was thinking, I don't have courage to ask Krishna that give me some money. So he never asked, but can Krishna listen to your heart? Right? So Krishna listen and read his heart, and Krishna know that he's living a miserable life. So when he went back to his house, he has a big surprise. His house turned into a palace. His walls have jewels on them. His wife, who was so poor, she doesn't have a sari to wear. She was wearing the most amazing, beautiful looking sari. He has thousands and thousands of food of different kind in his sorry Shivansh, I accidentally did that, in his house. So if he would have asked something from Krishna, what would he said?
Can you please give me a house?
Can you please give me a house? What should he said, Shivansh?
Can you please give me somewhere to live?
Somewhere to live. But जब हम कृष्णा से कुछ मांगते हैं, when we ask something from Krishna, like a house or a car or a video game, guess what you get? Just that house, just that car, or just that video game. But if you do not ask anything from Krishna, look here, if you do not ask anything from Krishna, Krishna gave you so much that you cannot even think about. So never ask Krishna for anything. Say, Bhagwan, whatever you think is right for me, give me that. And do not forget to offer prasadam, because who knows which day Krishna accept your prasadam. And if Krishna accept your prasadam, lots of mercy gonna flow. Right? So if in your life, Shivansh and Mahika, if you met Krishna ever, what are you going to ask him?
Nothing.
Nothing. You will just, if Krishna Bhagwan aa gaye agar Shivansh ke aage, or Krishna Bhagwan ne bola, Shivansh, ask me whatever you want to ask, what will you say?
Bhakti. Bhakti too.
Bhakti too. Always ask for bhakti. And this is a lesson for all of us. So from Akshaya Tritiya, you know what, Shivansh, in India some people used to say on Akshaya Tritiya we have to buy gold, because gold is everlasting, and Akshaya Tritiya means that doesn't die, it keeps going. So those people who buy gold, what happened to them? So Mahi, if mummy buy gold, when mummy die, will the gold go with mummy? Where will that gold go?
Maya.
It's a Maya, and it will go to you or to Shivansh or somebody. So even if we buy gold, that gold will not stay with us. But there's only one thing that stay with us. Bhakti, because who knows, when we are dying, we remember Krishna. And when you're dying and you remember Krishna, because you are so used to of doing bhakti, what could happen? Then you can end up with Krishna in your next life. And you never have to come back on planet Earth, right? So, this Akshaya Tritiya, what is Mahika and Shivansh gonna do?
Do lots of puja and do a fast.
Yeah.
And definitely not buy gold.
Do not buy gold. Ask Krishna for his mercy. Ask Krishna for lots of bhakti, right? And Shivansh, also, did Mummy told you that starting from Akshaya Tritiya we are doing Chandan Yatra? What is Chandan Yatra?
Smearing sandalwood on Krishna.
Yeah, so for 21 days we're gonna put Chandan on Krishna Bhagwan. Like right now we do like little tika. We're gonna put Chandan all over Krishna's body, so Krishna feels cool and calm.
I wish I could do that.
Yeah, you will do that every morning after you bathe him. After you bathe Laddu Gopal, you have to do that every morning for how many days? 21 days.
Why 21 days?
Okay, because the science. Do you like science?
Yes.
Do the people teach you science in school? Your teachers. So science says if somebody do something for 21 days, it becomes their habit. So you remember how in Purushottama Mass you did chanting for 30 days? Did you left chanting ever since then?
No.
Did you do mala every day? Same way. So who knows that Krishna gave us little more mercy, little more bhakti, and will progress in our devotion and service to Krishna. Right? So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, before we end our session, do you like the story?
Yes.
Yes. So before we end the session, everyone, let's do a Mahamantra together.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Okay, if you like the video, you learned something new.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to share the knowledge. Right? Alright, Hare Krishna.